Hi folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my data version. So in this video, we are going to look into data validation part in Excel. So I have prepared this dataset to explain you regarding the use case of data validation. This is the most important for the data analysis. So यहाँ पर हम डिफरेंट सिनेरियोस लेके चलेंगे और मैं आपको एग्जांपल से ये बताऊंगा कि किस तरीके से डेटा वैलिडेशन की हेल्प से हम अपनी एक्चुअल वर्कबुक को या एक्सेल शीट को इफेक्टिव बना सकते हैं. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So first of all, where do we get the option of data validation? So in the upper tab, we have a option data, click on it, and here the small icon, here we have data validation. It is one of the industrial data set, and here we have few columns like column of name of the employees, job title, business unit, gender, and age. So suppose if we have a parameter or restriction over age, like this many employee are between the age of from 18 to let's suppose 52. So to replicate this parameter, first click on the column, go in data validation. In the first option, it is allow. Here if we click on the drop down, there are certain options. First whole number, decimal, list, date, time, text length, custom. So first we will try with the whole number. So in the data part, if we click on the drop down, we have several more options. So we can customize as we want. As of now, I'm choosing on the between option. Here I will give the value 18 because we want from 18 and 18 will be allowed till 52. Click on OK. Now if I enter 18, it will not show anything. But if I enter value less than 18 for suppose 16 and click on enter, so we will get a message saying this value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. And if I click on again retry and give value suppose 19 and click on enter, it will get through it. So as you all can see, the ages which I have entered is between 18 to 52. Now let's check with another option, that is date. For this, we have a column hiring date. So first of all, I will select the column, go in data validation part. Here I will select date. So suppose people are hired between 01/08 2021 and it would be today's date 13/08 2023. Right. Click on OK. And if I enter 09/08 2020 and click on enter, it will throw error. The reason because we have given the specific parameter and according to that only it will occupy. Now let's check with 08/09 2022. Hit enter and you can see no error is seen. So in this way you can set your own parameters and make your employee to insert right data or right date. Now let's check with another scenario. First select the cell, go in data validation, and here I will choose whole number. Number would be so I am choosing range between 2,50,000 and 5 lakh. Click on OK. So if I will mention annual CTC 3 lakhs and click on enter, it will take. But if I will give annual CTC, let's suppose, and click on enter. So I don't want this message, I want something else. And I also want whoever person is entering this data, he or she should know that there are certain parameters for the annual CTC. So as of now I'm cleaning this data. I will select all the column, click on data validation. So here we have option input message and error alert. First I will select input message. I will give title, salary. So here I mentioned salary will range between 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. I will click on error alert, title error. So here I gave complete instruction, mention salary between 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. I will click OK. So whenever I enter selected cell here, it will display salary will range between this to this. And suppose if I enter wrong entry, for example 7 lakh, click enter. So here we got the message from the salary ranges. So in this way you can manipulate column and give the parameters. Now coming to our last functionality. For this we have a column of business unit and there is several units, for example manufacturing, specialty products, corporate, etc. So let's make a scenario if my boss asked me to manipulate this column and make any functionality so that if any new employee comes, so he should be aware that what to enter in the particular column, right? So to make it happen, first I am deleting this all, and here we have our specific options. So again selecting the cell, go in data validation. Here I will go in setting, click on list. So we have to enter our source. I will click on the source, give these values, click on OK. So here if I don't know what to enter in the business unit, so I will get the drop down option, and here accordingly I can choose, for example manufacturing, specialty product for first one, and second manufacturing, third is corporate, and likewise you can get multiple option in every row in a particular column. So if you like this video and found it meaningful, click on the like button, hit on the subscribe for more updates on this channel. Thank you for watching.